Hello, good day. Here's yet another class for examination style mathematics question. I told you this is not restricted to a topic alone. It cuts across a wide range of topics from algebra to calculus to geometry and so on. So today we are looking at a problem like this. What is the sum of x and y in the figure below? This is the figure. If you look at this very figure very well or shape, you will agree with me that we have vertically opposite angle here. And we say vertically opposite angle are equal. If here is A and here is B, it means A is equal to B. If here is Y and here is X, it means Y is equal to X. So the same idea will come here. But the question, remember, we are to find the sum of X and Y. So looking at this very place, 60 degree is vertically opposite of x plus 30 degree. So in this case, we are going to equate these two. 60 equal to x plus 30. So what is the reason? Vertically opposite angle. Are equal. So in this case, we have our what? X plus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. What we are going to do, we are going to subtract plus 30 degree from both sides. And of course, we have X. We are going to subtract 30 degree from both sides, which is done here. So this and this will go. We are left with X equal to 60 degree minus 30 degree. You agree with me that is 30 degree. Now we've known the value of our X to be 30 degree. The next thing we want to do is to find the value of Y, because the question demands we should get the sum of X and Y. So we have Y plus X, Y plus 20 degree, Y plus 20 degree, plus X plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. You may be wondering how comes. If you look at here, this is a straight line. If I decided to label here A and B, then you agree with me that I have something like this and something cut across. And here is what? Y plus 20 degree. And here is what? X plus 30 degree. Can you see it? I cut it out. So, and the sum of angle on the straight line is equal to 180 degree. And that is why we have it here. Can you see it? So in this case, we rearrange. We have our y plus 20 degree. Never you forget, we've gotten the value of x to be 30 degree. So we are going to substitute this very 30 degree in place of x. And of course, we have, instead of x, we have 30 degree. Are we together? Then we also have 30 degree, which is originally in the question. And we equate the whole thing to 180 degree again. Is that clear? We sum this up. What do we get? 20 plus 30 will give us 50, and 50 plus 30 will give us 80, and all in degrees. Now, the next thing we are going to do to get the value of y, we are going to subtract 80 degrees from both sides. Now, if we subtract this gone, we're left with y equal to, take away 80 degrees from 180 degrees, you will be left with 100 degrees. So we have 100 degrees here. Now, that is not the end of our journey. The question demands we should find the sum. And you know the sum is the result we obtain from addition. So for that reason, we say therefore the sum. The sum of x and y equal, x is 30 degrees, and then y is 100 degrees. That means y, or rather x plus y is equal to 130 degrees. And that is the solution to this very problem. I told you, mathematics is very, very, very simple. If you follow us gradually, you will succeed in any of your examination, be it a standardized test and any other examination. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, follow, like, and share, and draw your comment at the comment section.